Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Explorer rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Having a clean, well-lit workspace is crucial for safety and efficiency. Also, keep a small container handy for all the screws and clips you'll be removing. This helps prevent losing any small but important parts during the process. To begin, open your Ford Explorer's liftgate. You'll find screws securing the taillight assemblies. Remove these screws, then gently pull out both taillights. Next, look along the top edge of the bumper where it meets the body. You'll see several fasteners. Remove all of these carefully. Take your time to ensure you don't miss any hidden clips or screws. Now, move to the wheel wells. You'll need to remove several fasteners securing the wheel well liners to access the bumper's side attachments. After that, get underneath the vehicle. There are usually a few more clips and bolts holding the bumper in place from below. Once all fasteners are removed, gently but firmly pull the bumper straight back and away from the vehicle. Before completely separating the bumper, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for lights or sensors. Once the bumper is off, take a moment to inspect both the bumper and the vehicle's frame for any damage or missing components. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.